One of the common questions a lot of beginners have is, do we always have to stage our changes before committing them? Well, the answer is no. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to skip the staging area. But do this only if you know what you're doing. If you're 100% sure that your code, your changes don't need to be reviewed, because that's the whole point of having a staging area. So let's modify file 1 and then commit it in one step. We're going to say echo test to file1.txt. Once again, we're appending this line to file1.txt, okay? All right. Now we have a yellow indicator because our working directory is dirty. So instead of running git add and then committing it in 2 steps, we're going to commit. Here we're going to supply the option -a, which means all. That means all modified files. And then, just like before, we supply a message, or we can combine these 2 options. So let's supply a message. Fix the bug that prevented the users from signing up. Let's go. Our code is committed. 1 file was changed, and we have 1 insertion. So this is how we can skip the staging area. But once again, do this only if you know what you're doing. 99% of the time, you should always stage your code before committing it to the repository.